let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times.
Hello, welcome to Vlogmas Day 11, and I have finished the body portion of my hat. Okay, I have been spending all morning and afternoon, because it is afternoon now, working on this. Look at how much I've done today. See, from the stitch marker until where I am now. That's how much I've done today. So this is how big it was yesterday, and this is how much bigger it has gotten today. I'm so excited because now I'm at the portion where I just need to do the crown, which is like the top of the head, and that's going to be like the points where the decreases happen. It's going to be some nice cool design thingy, which hopefully you can see. I mean, if you can see like the rib texture, I'm sure you'll be able to see the decreases as well. But that is what I have done for today. I plan on finishing this either tonight or tomorrow morning. So possibly tomorrow when I start talking to you guys, I would have finished this hat and then start on my sock. But we'll see from there. I have gotten some yarn mail today. It is from Teeny Button. This was the Halloween yarn. Well, okay, it's not Halloween yarn, but it is Halloween themed. It's from the Hocus Pocus sisters. I think it's Mary Sanderson or something like that. And this is what I got. Let me get scissors to open it. Here it is. Ooh, this is my color. Okay. What? Wait.
Is that mine?
No. But
She said,
what?
"Oh, this is my color."
I don't know
Put extras in it, you know?
Oh, that makes sense. Because this was supposed to be shipped to me weeks ago, but she thought she combined the orders or whatever. Anything. Anyway, I got it. But I saw these two skeins and I was like, okay, the garage door is opening. Ignore that. But when I pulled it out, I saw these two and I'm like, I did not have pink and blue in my skeins, but she added some mini skeins in here. That's so cute. But this is the main color, okay? This orangish, reddish, rusty, brownish tint. I got a sweater quantity. I ordered this in September, I think. Was it September? September, October, one of those months. And this, oh, hold on. And this is it. Oh my gosh, they look so much redder on camera. And oh my gosh, wait, okay, these two look alike and these two look alike. So I will definitely alternate skeins. Psych, I'm not doing that. I don't care how it turns out. This is fingering weight. Fingering weight yarn, 75-25, so 75% superwash merino, 25% nylon, 463 yards, beautiful, which is 425 meters, and per 100 grams. But this is what it looks like. So very nice. Like, this is literally like my favorite. This is the bottom. Oof, my favorite kind of color with yarn. I swear, these colors and brown and gray and black and white, like these are the only colors that I'm going to be buying next year when I start buying yarn again. Oh my gosh, I love this one. This is how different they are. like the dye lots or whatever you can say. See? It looks more like it here, but not really. So I will like alternate it, but not like alternate midway. Like I'll use one skein of this, one skein of that, and then one skein of this again, and then one skein of that. So it will look very cool. I'm excited about that. I don't know what I'm gonna make with that. I just wanted to get it because I wanted to get it. I gotta do most of my yarn. And then these are the minis that she added in as extra. Oh gosh, these are so cute. These are so beautiful. Oh my gosh. So I can add this in with some sock that has no mini. It's going to look so great. I'm so excited. I have more yarn that's coming in. I got it from Knit. I got Peergynt, however you say that. And I wanted to try that yarn. So we'll see when that comes in and see how that is. Let me add this to my stash. Do I have rum? Rum? I will stuff it somewhere. Okay, my sweater finished blocking last night. It only took 24 hours, which is so quick. But look at this sweater. Look at how nicely it's draping. It looks like I like freshly pressed it or something. But it just looks so good. I will wear this on Monday, I think. I'll take pictures and stuff on Monday and show you guys. Well, me wearing it all day will be showing you guys, but this is such a nice sweater. I just love when the stitches, like when you block it and the stitches just like fuse. Okay, don't fuse together like it's felted, but just like it's so even, like the evenness of it, and it's just so very nice. And my hair is all over it, but it's okay. But yeah, finished sweater, blocked and nice. So the next sweater that I'll be making or working on picking back up will be my anchor sweater. Let me show you what that looks like right now. I plan to start this on like the 19th, so we will see. But it's very wrinkled because it's been shoved in a bag. But this is where I am on my anchor sweater, which I say is an Anchor's long sleeve shirt, but you know, whatever. This is almost done. Well, the body is almost done. Well, I guess, yeah, it's almost done. And then all I'll have are the sleeves, and then I'll be done with this. So this should take me like, if I'm working on it every single day, maybe a week to finish, because this is a week of progress. And if I get one more week into it every single day, I will definitely be able to finish it, even though it's like DK weight, but still. Anyway, I'm going to go back to doing my hat. If my other yarn comes in quickly, it'll probably be there will probably be another talking clip right after this, but if not, I will just knit and that's it. Yeah. Hey guys, I am at the decreases of the top of my beanie. I'm at the point where I need to switch to 16-inch circulars. I'm on 24s right now, but this is how long my hat is. Oh my gosh, it's literally so long now. This is what I did today. So from this progress keeper and up, every day I always move my progress keeper to the first row that I do for the day. So this is still where it was this morning, or When did I talk to you guys? This morning? Yeah. And that's how much I've done today. You can really see, I showed a clip of the decreases, but you can really see it decreasing. Go focus. Like around here and here, like around these two areas right there, you can really see it's starting to take shape. So I want to finish, it's taking shape in 5 different points, but I want to finish this tonight. Like if I have to stay up, I feel like this is crooked. If I have to stay up to finish this, like I will for sure do it. It's not that late right now. I think it's like 6 p.m. or so.
5:51.
It is what?
5:51.
5:51. So I'll have like 5 hours before I have to go to bed, but you know, who knows, these decreases might take a while. I have this much yarn left with, which should be enough since everything is decreasing, so less stitches. But if not, I could just use Malika's yarn because she probably will not make a beanie, let's be honest. But let's get to the advent. We are on day 11. So yesterday's advent was totally threw me for a loop. Okay, it turned cream looking, peachy looking, with some yellowish caramel colors coming in. So I think the blue speckles will stay because it has stayed throughout like the past 2 or 3. So I think that this advent, number 11, is going to be like a more yellowish tint, yellowish goldish tint. I said that yesterday. Tint. So let's see. That's all I have. Okay, I try to guess as accurately as possible and hope that I am close to it, but we will see. What? This is not making sense to me. Okay, first of all, this thing went back to pink. Hold on, let me fold it as usual. Look at this. It went back to a pinkish color. Like there's a darkish tint right there that looks like it's mixed with like gold and yellow. I mean gold and pinkish, purplish, like, but the pinkish purplish hue has gotten darker. The bottom looks sort of like where I thought it was going. Like that color. I didn't think it would be that dark, but I thought it would turn more yellowish. I'm so confused. But maybe it is going into like a reddish. Ooh. Okay, wait. Because this is looking a little rusty. Like the color red rusty. So possibly going into a red. Christmassy tones. Are we going there? The blue speckles are still there. Like you can see them all over this. All over. But let me show you the entire thing. This is today's color. And you know, looking at it, it makes sense a little bit. I'm just confused as to why it got darker, lighter, then darker in literally 3 days. Like it didn't even fade into that. It faded up. Wait. It faded down color, up a color, down a color. So, you know, I'm not a dyer. I don't know what goes into all of these thoughts and colorways or whatever. Maybe I'm the wrong one, you know? But it makes more sense if this was switched. Like if this day was right here and then it went like that. See, I can understand that. I can't understand this right here. It's just such a weird blip. But like I said yesterday, maybe we need a few more days for this to actually make sense. That is all I have for you guys today. My other package didn't even come in today, even though it said it was. So maybe it will come in. Okay, this is yarn coming from the UK, so I don't know if it will ship with USPS, but if it does, then that means it'll come in on Monday because tomorrow is Sunday and we don't get packages on Sunday. So that is all I have for this video. Give it a thumbs up and remember to subscribe if you're new and you haven't done so already. Thank you guys for all the new people here. Hello, welcome. Thank you for subscribing. I adore you guys and I can't wait to see what we have next tomorrow for the Advent because I am just like, what the heck, okay? But We'll just see. We'll just see. Maybe it's just not making sense right now and it'll make sense later. Like I said, a story. So the story is untold. We'll see it tomorrow. Bye.